Okay, so your next steps are to go into Seesaw, and you can open up Chrome and type in seesaw.me, press enter, and then you might need to sign into your class, or you might already be logged in. Regardless, if you have to sign in, use your Google account. Right here is where it tells me what classes I have, and you can see that I have a whole bunch because I do a lot of training with this. You should see in your list one called Conduct Your Name 2, and that's the class that you want to click on because that is your class for this year. It's already been populated. It is a paid account. The district is paying for all students K through 5 to have Seesaw this year. Once you're in your account, you'll see that I have one unapproved post. You'll have many, one for each of your students. So when I click on review, it says that I can approve all, or I can approve them one at a time by checking the check mark on each one. If you're not sure what your students have been doing, you would want to go one by one. But in this case, approve all. We all did the lesson together, and just click approve. For family access, what you're going to do is come over here and click on families. And you're going to have a button that might say enable family access, and you'll want to click that. And then you'll want to print paper invites. Notice that they can be printed in English and Spanish. So you will have to just print the whole document. One paper comes out for each student. If you want to give them all in English, you can. If you have some that you need to send home in Spanish, you'll just need to print that both ways. And it's going to be, you just print one copy of each, and then you can decide which you're going to give the student, English or Spanish. But you'll get the whole class set when you print it. Okay, so if I click on print, just want to show you what this looks like. And then you're going to choose your printer, but I want you to notice this. This is your teacher page. It gives you instructions and questions that might come up. Then I want you to notice that you have a paper for each one of your students, and each QR code is for that student only. Parents can only view the items for their own child. They will use this. It gives them instructions on how to join from their smartphone and from their computer. And guys, this can take the place of Remind. It will do so much more, and your parents will love it so much more. You can send announcements. You can attach newsletters to send to the parents via Seesaw. And also, the students house all of their things here in a portfolio. So you'll just need to print one copy of this, and you'll have a paper to send home with each student. And then we come back to our class. You can just click this X here, and you're back to your journal. Shows your student work here. And we've approved everything, so you're good to go.